You may come up for I'll hide behind blanket. Oh, he got fun. That was
almost not fun to have it.
Now he's going back home with her baby.
Thank you very much for being here today. This does conclude the services, and then the family's going to be going to the Penny restaurant for the reception. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Kacamata, kira mari.